Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Meena and this is my YouTube channel. I love to make fashion, beauty, lifestyle content video, and today it's going to be a most simplest treatment. That means it's going to be a DIY treatment. If you are new here means you have to look at my previous videos. It's most of the time I like to do a DIY to face and as well as my hair. And yes, I always to keep my hair and skin should be an like kind of a nature. That mean நமக்கு சேஃபா யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு என்னென்னலாம் இருக்கோ I really search a lot in online, and same time I use to myself for some more days, and if I feel something good means I want to share here. So yes guys, this as well, it's not my first time. I already used egg hair mask in my personally நான் experience பண்ணிட்டு தான் I'm going to share with you guys. So yes, I hope it's going to be helpful for you. And to be honest, what I have used in my hair, like a natural ingredients means நீங்க என்னோட previous videos பார்த்துருக்கலாம். And even though personally I try natural ingredients as well, and kind of flagy seeds, kind of aloe vera gel. It's my most of the time I used to do with the aloe vera gel. Yes, of course, rice water. For dandruff I'm using kind of aloe vera with the neem. So yes, I'll share you with another video, but today I'm going to tell you with the egg mask. It's very less cost and same time it's so worth, and you can see the result in within one wash itself. It's not about strength, it's about the result. How do if you have a frizzy hair, if you have a dry hair means it's definitely useful for you. So yes. Okay, let's see what is the benefit of egg hair mask. So if you started to use a egg hair mask, reduces a hair fall, control frizzy, and even though boosts your hair growth, and adds shine and softness in one wash itself. For optimal results, apply it weekly and consistently for 4 to 6 weeks and see the result. It depends on your hair length. So I'm using here one egg. It's enough for my medium length. And yes, the amount of may vary depending on your hair length. Mix it with natural ingredients like a curd or yogurt, even though you can use it with a coconut oil too. Actually, I don't like the smell anyway. And after applying, just leave it for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing with cool water. Okay, try to avoid using a hot water when you are using an egg mask. It's because it will be sticky to your hair. You're not able to wash your hair very easily. So try to avoid hot water while using a egg mask. After wash your hair, definitely you have to use with a shampoo, your regular shampoo, and it will be a very less of the amount. It's itself enough because your hair will be a smell after use egg wash. So that's why I'm using that. But you don't need to use a conditioner because this as well a hair conditioner, good hair conditioner. So you just avoid a hair conditioner, just use your regular shampoo. That will be enough. And very important, don't leave it for 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes, because it will be very dry your hair. It's hard to wash your hair, so don't leave it for more than 30 minutes. Just wash it in 30 minutes also. Okay, after I washed my hair, I just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes in natural air itself. Just I keep my hair very naturally because I don't use any heating products to my hair. And yes, I'm just using with this serum. I'm really having this more than 3 years now. And yes, this is a perfect serum for my hair after wash my hair. And yeah. Guys, whatever you try on the outside, for best and fastest results, eat eggs every day. They are rich in protein and help strengthen your hair from the inside as well. And if you have a frizzy or damaged hair, you have to use for 2 to 3 weeks and see how it works for your hair. So yes guys, it's going to be end of the video today, and even though before going to the end, I really want to share with you, if you like to watch other kind of a hair care routine, definitely my videos will be helpful for you. And even though I tried with another DIYs in my videos, you can watch these videos in my YouTube channel. And yes, it's going to be the end of the video today. I hope it's helped you, and I'll see you on next Sunday with a new YouTube video. Take care. Bye bye.